G'day! In this video, well, we play dashcam videos from New Zealand featuring bad drivers, in my opinion, and I'm the Grumpy Kiwi. Anyway, in this week's video, we're learning about the 2-second rule, or the 4-second rule if it's wet, like it is today. Look at this fucking numpty. Jesus, he's just about loving that guy's ass. He's hanging on there. He's hanging on the ass thing. Oh, come on. I know it's Gay Pride Week, but this is ridiculous. Oh, you almost got him. What's the story? It's hard to read his number plate. Bit hard. Let's see what it is, eh? Let's zoom in with the magic of my eyesight. Oh, tyre for you! Jesus Christ. Mr. Tyre for you, have you got super fucking amazing tyres you can stop on a bloody dime? I don't think so. Who's texting me this time of night? Jesus. Okay, let's speed this up. Let's speed this up. Come on, we all just want to get home. No reason for aggression like this. Tailgating is numerous causes of bloody accidents. Oh, I don't know. I'm not getting tailgated, but I'm frustrated for the guy in front who is. Anyway, that's what's... Oh, look, he's pulling over. The guy on the front's pulling over. I mean, you know, he's not going the speed limit, but it's wet. Come on, guys. Drive the conditions. That's it. You get it. Ass of the week. Come on. Just calm down, Mr. Tyres for you. Please calm down. Go on Northwest Motorway now. What have we got here? Oh, come on. What if that white car stopped? You'd be in his ass. Stop grabbing the ass of the cars in front. Ah, here's the police. Come on, where are you when we need you? I wish you were everywhere, but you're doing a good job. So keep in there. Keep in there, guys. Okay, Grumpy. Just trying to get home. Just trying to get home. Just like you guys. Trying to get home. Keep texting me. Can't ignore that when I'm driving. No texting when driving. Ah, what are you doing? Jesus. I'm trying to get home. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like it, please subscribe if you want to see some more. And we've got a new website called grumpykiwidriver.com. Yeah, we had some trouble with old Facebook trying to ban us, so now we've got our own website. Anyway, that's Grumpy Kiwi signing out. I'll see you next time.